I read a newspaper that recorded that between 2009 and 2014, 85,000 elephants, I repeat, 85,000 elephants, I mean living elephants, were killed by poachers. Imagine by then you kill 60% of all elephants in our mother country, Tanzania. To my fellow children, some of the poachers out there might be our parents, our relatives, brothers and sisters that live close to us. Let us have a serious discussion with them, telling them that life is not only about money. Money can't buy happiness, joy, peace, love, and nature. It can't buy any of that. What are you teaching us? We, the children, we cry for our future and future generations. Let us come together to protect and preserve our nature. The future depends on us. It's not only about them, it's about all of us to come together and protect our nature. Thank you and God bless you all. My name is Sharon Ringo, Trade and Tourism Ambassador of the East African Community. Bye!